Hey guys, so what's up? So today I'm going to be installing new headlights on the Camry because I got into an accident, so I decided I might as well upgrade while I needed to buy headlights anyway. So I got all 4 headlights for the Camry. It comes as a set. They're about $130 to normally $150. I got mine for a good deal. I'll link them in the description down below. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install them and hook everything up the correct way.
Yeah, it is really something.
Memories of your prime make life seem so strange.
So one of the ways you can actually get off your headlight once you take out the 3 bolts and the clip for the small corner marker is there's little clips. There's one up top and one on the bottom, and you basically pry them with a screwdriver and it should come free. So once you disconnect your headlight bulb and everything comes loose. So when you get to this point, once you get the headlight housing off, you're going to see that there's a clip back here. You're basically just going to press it in with the flathead screwdriver. And now I have these lockjaw pliers. There might be other ways to do it, but I found this the most effective. We have a replacement one for this. So we're just going to press the clip up and pull it out. And now you have your main headlight housing out.
Daddy won't mind when you rearrange your life.
Alright, so clearly the front end still needs some working on. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. Just obviously need the new front bumper, but it looks a lot better than it was with no front end. And I also need to go get more bolts, because clearly it's not tightened up yet. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.
oh so tight.